Hi there! Did you know that you can connect your WH-1000XM4 Sony headphones to do devices? Let me show you how to do it. As a first step, you would need to open Sony Headphones application on both of the phones. I have here my main phone in which you can see the headphones and another phone in which are connected another headphones, but this doesn't matter. We would need to take our main phone and then go to this tab named System. Here, make sure that you have enabled this function which is named Connect to two devices simultaneously. Then we go back to the Status tab and here click on the Connected Devices. Click on it, and right here as a second device you can choose one of these that you can see on the list. I will choose this second phone, and in few whiles it has been connected to these headphones. And now I can play audio from both of the phones on only one headphones. And here is it how it looks. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.